Welcome to Ruperi Computer Science and Career Institute. FY Semester 2nd Lecture of Subject Mathematics and Statistics. Our topic is simple interest. We solve some examples. Till up to last lecture, we solved 5 questions. Therefore, today we solve 6th question, that is example number 6. Example 6. Mr. A and Mr. B borrowed rupees 8,000 and 15,000 respectively. Mr. A and Mr. B borrowed rupees 8,000 and 15,000 respectively at the same rate of simple interest. At the same rate of simple interest. After 3 years, Mr. A repaid the loan by giving rupees 10,160. How much amount should Mr. B pay after 4.5 years to pay off the loan? How much amount should Mr. B pay after 4.5 years to pay off the loan? Now, this is the question. Now, we are solving this question. Solution. Given Mr. A's P is equal to, principal is equal to rupees 8,000, N is equal to 3, and repaid the loan is equal to rupees 10,160 is given, right? See, Mr. A repaid the loan 10,160, that is, he pay off the loan with simple interest. Therefore, we have to find out simple interest easily, right? That is, we have to minus the P from repaid loan. That is, therefore, simple interest of A's, that is, A's simple interest is equal to 10,160 minus 8,000, that is equal to 2,160, right? Now, in the left side, we put it simple interest formula, that is what? 8,000 into 3 into R divided by 100. Then we can find out the simple interest rate, that is R, right? Rate of simple interest. Therefore, left side we put it the formula, that is with your values. P is what? 8,000. Therefore, 8,000 into 3 into R divided by 100 is equal to 2,160. Right? Now 2 zeros from 8,000 gone out, from below 100, 2 zeros, right? 2 zeros gone out, and these 2 zeros gone out. Okay? Therefore, what? 8 into 3, 240 R. Therefore, 240 R is equal to 2,160. Therefore, R is equal to 2,160 divided by 240. Now 0 and 0 is also gone, and we left is R is equal to 9. Okay, R is equal to 9. Therefore, rate of interest is 9. And same given that the same rate of interest, simple interest to both, right? In the first statement in the question, okay? Same rate of simple interest. Therefore, I put here given Mr. B's principal is equal to rupees what 15,000, n is equal to 4.5 years, that is 4.5, and r is equal to now so 9, right? Now to find out simple interest of Mr. B's, simple interest of Mr. B's, IB, I put it, the word IB, right? That is simple interest for Mr. B is equal to what? 15,000 into 4.5 into 9 divided by 100. 15,000 into 4.5 into 9 whole divided by 100, right? Whole divided by 100. Now 15,000, last two zeros gone out. See this, huh? 100, last two zeros gone out, right? Therefore this is, therefore IB is equal to simple interest, IB is equal to 6,075. 6,075. Now we calculate total amount Mr. B should pay off, right? Therefore the Mr. B should pay amount rupees 15,000 plus 6,075 is equal to 21,075 after 4.5 years to pay off the loan. This is our last answer. Yeah, today is enough now.